Question 1. What is the largest rainforest in the world? Amazon. Question 2. What process do plants use to make food? Photosynthesis. Question 3. Which animal is known for building dams? Beaver. Give a like if you answered the first 3 questions correctly. Question 4. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Diamond. Question 5. Which gas do humans exhale? Oxygen. Question 6. What do you call the study of weather? Write your answer in the comments. Question 7. What is the main source of energy for life on Earth? Sun.